Hey, Ronnie! Oh, kumusta? Sinong inaabol mo? Ha? Who is it?
Perfect. Just perfect. You know she's gone? Because you decided to pop up like some useless human barricade.
Doon muna kami.
Oh, sige pare. Mamaya, ha? Grabe ka naman. Sino ba talaga inahabol mo?
Si Lorena.
Wait, Wilfred's ex? From 7 years ago?
Yeah, 7 years gone and now she's creeping around like it's her big comeback episode.
Oh, come on. Baka naman namamalikmata ka lang, ha? And besides, that chapter's closed. Isa pa, sayong-sayo na si Will. Oh, baka naman hanggang ngayon, threat pa rin ang tingin mo kay Lorena.
I don't fight for what's already mine. I destroy everyone who touches it. Mas lalo na kung si Lorena freaking Herrera yon.